Good morning. Got a new product. Got a new product reveal. Anyway, motor is out, transfer case out, everything is out. It's like yeah, I started it up a while back. I haven't talked about this one in a while, but I'm in the middle of how everyone say you end up doing a frame off restoration. I want to fix and I want to patch the walls and stuff like that. So I'm thinking since I have it off, I might as well just go ahead and do the frame, get everything done. I have it out. I can paint it. I can clean it up. I put them wheels on months ago just to sit on it, just to push it around. So anyway, I'm gonna start taking this stuff all out and see what we got to do. Get to little rocker panel repair before I did, just something to touch up on it. I did it and just let it sit. Got pretty busy. Taking the seat back out. This is a GMC Street Coupe. GMC Street Coupe 78. They only made 78 through 80, I believe. Came in with like Z. It's basically like the Z71 package. Basically like the Z71 package. Anyway, power doors on the side. But anyway, do want to talk about what I have here. Well, this one I'm trying to get out now. He's almost done. The guy just said he just want to start it, bring it by his dad's house. So I got the motor and trans in. It's a stage 2 cam. I did a sloppy stage 2 on here. Stall converter 4L80E with a 5.3. It's a nice little spicy setup. Like I said, it's only a few things I need to do. Basically put him a battery in here. Put a battery in here. His brake booster. Like I said, he's going to do some upgrades to it later. I have some tunnels already. Some wheel tunnels. There's one right there. The other one's in the back. But just basically, yeah, get them ready. Get them going. But yeah, that's that one right there. I started sanding the body down. That's time and money lost, you know. But you start thinking about other stuff you want to do, and then that's what happens. But anyway, new product. Let me show you the new product, man. Like I said, I was in desperate need of parts. I had stuff that I wanted to do already. So you can see I already got the exhaust already put in there too, so the Flowmaster. But I was in the middle. Like I said, I was in the middle. I'd be looking for parts often, and something popped up, man. I started looking at it, and I couldn't let it go. Money came in my hands a little bit, so I just ran to it. We got this right here. Another 1980 C30. It's not a C10. It's not a C20. And most of us really don't even see the... I don't want to mess up my hood, though. C30. Got the grill in the back seat. People would ask, what do you need a C30 for? Original hubcaps. Look at that trim. Trim's not bad at all. No dings and dents on the trim anywhere. All along this whole body. Interior. It's a camper special. Interior. I love it. Look at the player. Look at the original player. Doors that's not cut. No rocker panel repair. So, with that being said, look at this. It's a service vehicle. If you ain't noticed, that's like I said, it's a service vehicle. Perfect little camper on the back. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, man. Well, to be honest, I said I bought it just for the parts. The doors, the bumper, the fender, the whole front core support can be used on the K10 or the GMC 1500 Sierra Grande. But when I think about it, it's like I see this truck and I just, dang, man. I mean, even this stuff is such an asset to have, but I don't use it as a service vehicle. You guys tell me what you think. Feel free to chime in. That'd be nice if you guys did. Feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna start putting out more content. I need to be doing videos more consistent, you know. But really some running videos and driving videos. But right now at this pace, once I get about 4 things out, I think I can delegate a few thousand to put to just doing some crazy and outlandish stuff on projects, man. We just doing the same stuff, get kind of tiring. Even this one right here, like I have my plans on what I can do to it, and it's just like taking these parts off. I just hate to do that when the truck actually look good. And then with that being said, my problem is I end up putting a 6.0 and a 4L80 in there, and then now you got a C30. I would take this service bed off. I'll put a long bed on there, and then I've been tossing around shorten it, just to shorten the frame on the 30. I didn't understand how rare the C30 brand is, period. That single cab C30 is actually what they say. They didn't have too many of them. So actually makes you think about doing it. But anyway, you guys tell me. Look at that thing, man. Every time I see the body, I just say, man, why am I going to take it apart? I do want to paint it, to be honest. But if I painted it, I would paint it the same color. It'd be the Corvette white, and then I'll paint the middle brown. Take that service bed off of it. Trying to sell a service bed now. Original hubcaps. I wonder if maybe powder coat them wheels and then look at them hubs. I'd have to spray paint each one of those black. Or just buy new ones. Anyway, stay tuned. Let's see what we got going, man. Buddy got his K5 here too. We're gonna try to get him to start on this project. I don't know, man. You guys really tell me, because I can take these parts and jump on mine, but at the end of the day, I can put a motor and trans in here and take my time. Drive this one until mine is ready. But anyway, stay tuned.